It's all about money, not about the happy buyer. The real estate agent represents the seller. The agent showing you the house represents you. If you're buying the house directly from the listing agent, they represent both parties. You get it? They want more money, more commission, and that's the bottom line. Hey guys, this is Joe Tech from JoeteckTips on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And today I'm going to teach you how to buy a house. Now, you're looking on Realtor.com, which is what I recommend using if you're going to buy a house. Realtor.com is up to date. Zillow is not anywhere near close to being accurate. So stop using Zillow and use Realtor.com. Download the app, install it, and all the information that's on Realtor.com is 98% accurate. Zillow is maybe 20%. Step number one, go to Realtor.com, find a house. You find your price range that you're looking for. You search for that particular house. Hopefully it's in your range. And you call the listing agent of that house. You ask the real estate agent or broker, whoever it is, and shows you the house. Now, this is where it gets interesting. Whatever you do, do not, I repeat, do not sign anything from the real estate broker or agent that you want to be exclusive to them, meaning that they can only show you houses. Do not do that, okay? Say, I don't want to sign anything. I'm not sure if I'm going to, I'm not sure if I'm really interested in getting a house. I'm just shopping around. Make up some cockamamie bullshit because they're lying to you too. I don't like doing things unethically. I do not, because it's unethical. It's wrong. However, real estate people are fucking greedy. It's all about the commission. They don't give a shit if you get the house or not. Someone else will just get it. They don't care about you. They do not. They do not. All they see is a potential buyer, and all they see is dollar signs. That's all they see. Either they see, if it's 400 grand, all they see is 16,000, and if it's from an outside person coming in, all they see is 8,000. Okay, that's it. You're just a number to them. Don't get buddy-buddy. It doesn't matter. That's a bunch of shit. They're just trying to sell you a house. And they make a shit ton of money doing it too. You always have to go to the listing agent of the house you're interested in. You always have to go to the listing agent of the house you're interested in. Why? Because of the greedy motherfuckers. It's all about the money. Commission is 4%. If you're looking for a house and it's 400 grand, the listing agent and the realtor that listings the house gets 16 grand. If it came from someone else coming in, they only get 8,000. So they're more interested in the direct sale versus someone coming from the outside. All right? So if you're on the outside and you're interested in this house, and you're coming from Century 21 for argument's sake, and Coldwell Banker is selling it, well, the guy who's going direct is going to probably get the deal, and they're going to say first accepted and lie to you probably, saying that there's an offer on it, but there isn't. However, if you went direct, most likely you'll get the house. Okay? So, do not use the same person that you saw this house with, because you might not like it. And now you want to look at another house. Go back on Realtor.com and look for another house. Do not let this person show you that house, because then you're obligated to give the commission to them. All right? It's a sneaky freaking thing to do, but they're doing it right back at you. So you got to fight fire with fire. It sucks. I don't like doing it like this. But if you want the house, you got to go directly to each real estate agent that is listing the house. Let me give you another example. If the house is 400 grand, all right? 4% is 16,000. For someone else coming in to buy that house, they have to buy that house for 800 grand, 2% to make the same 16,000. So the chances of you getting the house coming in from third party, you know, from a different agent coming into this house on a different agent are slim to none. There's no way in hell you're going to get it. So, fuck them. Fight fire with fire. Don't sign anything. Go directly to the real estate agent or broker listing agent of the house. Go on Realtor.com. Look for the real estate agent of the listing agent of the house and call them directly. And that's that. And that's how you do it. You like the house, put in an offer. The chances of you getting it are very, very good because you're going direct. 4% versus 2%. And that's the game. So guys, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Take care and we'll see you next time.